got this Dell. So I installed the Proxmox version 9.1.1. I use this application called Termius. It is very good. So I'm going to add so I can do everything here and I don't have to worry about doing it. So this is much better. So LPC is the host name. So I need to do some update because the USB I have old thing. So this is going to look for enterprise. I'm not using enterprise. I need to disable that. Hold on a minute. Need to go subscription. See system option right there. I don't want this, so disable this. I want to disable this too. And I want to do again. Let's see if I get those errors. So I disabled those, so now I don't have this error that was looking for the enterprise Proxmox. So apt. So I'm going to upgrade the version if there is available, and I put Y so it don't ask for my permission. It will do it. Actually, I have to do the same thing on my previous one. So I'm going to open another one. I'll do the same. So both has to be same version. So I'm going to add new host. This is already doing it. I'll do the same command here. I don't have to do the host name and host all. So I'm just going to do apt, and I have not disabled the other one here either. So you might see the error here too. So I think I have a open. No, actually I have deleted it. I have removed it. So that's good. So let's see what is happening here. Now I have to reboot it. So this one is a new, 132 is new, 131 is the older one that I have lots of VM, and this one is going to reboot. It's rebooting right now. Once it reboot, it connect, and there will be nothing right now. It's rebooted. I'm going to do this and I'll update it. So this is done. I'm going to refresh it. Yeah. Now I need to find my hard drive. So LSBLK. I have it. Here is a hard drive, but I'm not seeing the one I have more than 1 terabyte. So I'm going to type this command. So SDA 1 terabyte. I am missing SDB right there. This one, Western Digital 1 terabyte, and the solid state 1 terabyte. So this is the one has install everything, but I need to format this. So I'm going to verify one more time. SD1, yep, this is an NTFS. So now I'm going to delete everything on the SDA. This is going to zap everything. Is delete everything. Okay. Why? So I don't think I need this. I don't have that installed, and I don't want to install, so I am not going to use that. So I'm just going to use the command that I have for the next. That also I don't have. I think I need to install all of these. I never had this much issue. That's what I have. Hey, I think I can use the old command. It exists, but it's still showing NTFS. So I'm going to format it and give the partition name SDA1. Going to mount it permanently and create the FS tab so it will mount quicker. But I will do this first and do the system reload. So it's mounted here. You can see here, so I can verify in the command prompt too. SDD1. So now it's time to join cluster. Just a moment. Now I need to go here, and I do need to reboot this because I updated, but I did not reboot. But I can reboot it after I join. Don't know. I'll reboot it. While it's rebooting, I'm going to pause. Just got connected. So now I'm going to use PVECM add node LPC. Invalid. Let's see what that. I need to configure the Chrome sync. So It's saying that I have something wrong with this Proxmox host. So let's see what error not exist. So I think I have to join this one to other, because when I removed all other hosts, I might have deleted it. So I'm going to run all these commands same time. Let's do the same command here. Command is not working. 9.1.1. So this one is 9.1.2.3, that is 9.1.1. So I do have to update this. So I need to figure out how I'm going to upgrade from 9.1.1 to 9.3. What happened? 762. So on the Google and all is saying this will be normal version upgrade. It should not be the whole distro update. So I got the command to check the repo if I have. I need to see Trixie. So list David Trixie. So this is what I'm going to update to. Even though I disable the PV enterprise, they want me to run this command and do this. So first one is going to disable the enterprise, and this cat etc, they are going to list the source for the Trixie Debian download, and I'm going to push enter. It's done, and now I need to do apt update. Okay, 63. I'm going to see the upgradable, how many I have upgradable. So now all I have to do apt full upgrade, and this will do complete upgrade of latest one. Now I have to see if this is a newer than this one, 9.2.3, then I have to upgrade this one too. So while it's upgrading, I'm going to pause. Installation finished. As you see, no error reported, and also if you see right there is a new version 9.2.3. so I'm going to reboot. Still initializing the disk. Failed to boot. We have a problem. It's saying failed to boot. It is starting in recovery mode. I have a problem with booting. I'm going to pause it to go to the console itself, server itself, and work there. It's rebooted. I had to power off and power back on. So now I have to test couple things. If it is connected to 8006, I'm not sure why it's not connected. It's connected. Let's see the clear. I'm going to copy paste this. Let's see. So helper, all of this. We manager version running this. So yes, so we are good. Now I'm going to add to that host. Yes, I already seeing it. See right there. So it's joined, and this will populate too. Couple minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. All this should go here. So it's joined, and now I need to make sure these should connect automatically, but I'm not seeing it. I have a power off this thing, but these are the one that I have working. So these are all because that these three I have connected with my free NAS, true NAS, and that is a blade, like a rack mount server. And man, if every time I turn that on, my whole office is like a boiler room. So I'm not going to turn that on. That's why I move everything on the UGREEN. So we'll use UGREEN on the app's purpose. So now I have my cluster on, and now I need to move the VM from here to there to. I can't do HA because you need a 3 to enable HA. Let's Google it. I think so. How many? I think you have to have a 2 or more. 3. I cannot enable HA of any of these. I would like to get the quorum HA, but I need to wait for another server to have that feature enabled. I have to wait maybe a couple more months before I purchase one from eBay. I just purchased this, so I think his question is valid. HA should be enabled on 2, but I might be wrong. There might be a technical answer for this, so I would like to know. But so this video was how to install Proxmox, upgrade the distro, upgrade the version, and join the cluster and attach the storage device that was shared a storage device. So next video, I'm going to do some research if there is a way to enable it, and then I'll create that video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.